I bet you didn't know this fun fact. Cats do have better vision than humans, but not in the traditional sense. They're actually nearsighted and can't see things that are too far away, but they have very good peripheral vision and night vision, which is much more important for them to be able to hunt in the dark. Good. Did you know that cats are actually the only mammal thought to not be able to taste sweetness? Don't be so bitter.
Look at its little claws.
I bet you didn't know this fun fact. All of a cat's claws actually curve downward, which is how they can latch into things in order to climb. But because of this, when they climb up a tree, they can't climb back down the tree head first, or their claws would just slip right out of the bark. And so they have to go down backwards, which cats are not good at doing. And so because of this, they just get stuck in the trees. I bet you didn't know this fun fact. Cats can actually jump up to 6 times the length of their body. Speaking of length of their bodies, look how long this little guy is. He's like a spaghetti. I bet you didn't know this fun fact. Cats have a total of 18 toes. They have 5 on each front paw and only 4 on each back paw. I bet you didn't know this fun fact. Domesticated house cats actually share 95.6% of their DNA with tigers. They actually share a lot of common behaviors and traits with their jungle ancestors too. These include pouncing, stalking, and marking their territory with claw marks and urine. I bet you didn't know this fun fact. Did you know that different animals actually process time at different rates? This is because smaller animals tend to process time as feeling longer, like lizards and salamanders tend to feel like time is longer than dogs and cats. This is because time feels longer when the synapses in your brain are firing faster and experiencing things and processing them faster. This is also the same reason why kids feel like time takes longer than adults do. You didn't know this fun fact. A cat's collarbone actually isn't attached to its other bones like it is with most animals. It's just buried deep in its shoulder muscles. This allows the cat to actually squeeze through any hole that its skull can fit through, since its collarbone doesn't block it. Bet you didn't know this fun fact. Cats actually have an extra organ. It's called Jacobson's organ, and it's in their nasal cavity with an opening behind their incisors. This organ actually allows them to taste scents in the air, such as pheromones and food, and this could be why your cat stares at you with their mouth open from time to time. I bet you didn't know this fun fact. Everyone knows that cats have whiskers on their face, but did you know that they also have whiskers on the backs of their front legs? These ones are called carpal whiskers, and not only can they help them get a better sense of the ground they're walking on, they allow them to sense very small changes in air pressure and temperature, thus helping them know if there's any threats or prey nearby.